Is that my shoe? Oh, good girl for real. I forgot to take the lace. I didn't even put proper foundation in the lace. What lace?
My dance and sing. I do this by myself, no tears, skin soaking. But Ricky Ricky D's, well please don't ask me for a McFlurry. It's skin soaking. Talk for the baby, it made me. It's skin soaking.
It's skin soaking. It's skin soaking. And I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be installing a wig for the first time ever. I was told to bleach the knot. It looked like a lot of work, and I didn't feel like buying the products for that. So we just have the wig. I plucked it. The girl is balding in the front. I think I did it bad. I'm gonna be installing it. It's gonna be a middle part. I'm not going to show you all the products right now. I'm just going to show as I go. So we have the wig cap. I know I was supposed to braid my hair down, but like, I feel like it's not going to be as flat if I braid it myself because I can't really plait. Oh, I didn't even turn the light on. Is that better? No, I don't like the way it's hitting. Okay. Hopefully I got the right color wig cap. I really don't know. And I have to go to work tomorrow, so this better look good. Everybody at my job was telling me that this wig is not going to come out right. Oh, I forgot that. I had to slick it back a little. Okay, I had this got to be stuff that I was going to use for this part. She was oiling her edges first. I don't even have no edges really, so. Ooh, that's slick. I found it bald. I really hope this looks good. I have to focus. Okay, she used a blow dryer. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat, leave no one else. I put the alright, cut ear tabs now. I'm scared. Alright. Yeah. I gotta put the foundation now. I got this brush from CVS. Got this foundation from my local beauty supply. I hope this is my shade. Like, I don't know. I don't even use makeup for real. Is that my shade? I didn't open anything. I wanted everything to be open on camera. Yes, it's a brand new. Yes, I just lathered this on. I'm a good girl for real. Like, look me. What is it? Hair by Kenzo Ken?
Boy, if you don't get.
I'm gonna come back after I finish putting the foundation so I can save some footage. Storage. Alright. The video said to spray some of this on my edge line. I can't even see my edge line. I think I did it wrong. Maybe I was supposed to put the foundation after. We're gonna blow dry it and then, yeah. And then I start to do like 3 coats of that. This is gonna be trial and error. I don't know where to put the wig cap. The next step is to cut I feel it. Okay. It's getting bald now. Okay, now it's time. It's time for the wig. We have Miss Felicia. She's a 14-inch HD 13x4. I think her name should be Michaela. Okay, so we're gonna be installing Michaela today. Okay, so in the video she put on her head. I don't know what's next. I'm not very prepared for this. Ooh, I have to get this right because they're talking. I've seen so many ways in life. Anything I do, it's gonna look good and put on the floor. Anything I do is 100.
Period.
I hate people who have their forehead their lace like all on their forehead, and then it's like a line like up. Now it's time for the glue part. Bold hole. What did I get the other glue for? We're gonna be cutting the lace into 3 sections, putting a bold hole and a blow dry. I'm scared. Hold on, let me make sure it's in the right spot. Scrunch it up a little. Girl, you look crazy. Okay, we're gonna put the glue now. Oh, how am I gonna put the glue? It's missing right there. I'm not redoing it.
No! God, please, no! No!
Oh, wait. Why am I putting it on the lace? It's supposed to be on my forehead.
You're so dumb. For real.
Oh my god, I'm about to ruin my hair.
You are so dumb. You are really dumb.
Okay, she was like 3 coats. So should I just come back or like fast forward?
6.5 hours later.
Okay, now I need an elastic band to lay it more. It's not looking good. I can see the cap. I should have opened this already. I didn't open anything. I wanted everything to be open on camera. Yes, it's brand new. I think this is supposed to go under the wig. Hold on, let me redo it. Oh no. I forgot to tint the lace. I don't think it matters. I didn't even put foundation in the lace. Oh well.
Really, nigga?
Okay, now I can put this. I don't even know how long I have to wait. Let me see. We're gonna wait 2 minutes, so I'm gonna come back.
2 minutes later.
Okay, it's been 2 minutes, so we're gonna take it off and cut it. Oh, damn. I got some adhesive spray to put there too.
Five minutes later.
Alright. Okay, this is the scary part. I gotta cut the lace. I'm scared. Ouch. So if I mess up, oh no, I'm ruining the hair. So So I should put it further up, but it's really whatever. I think I'm gonna cut it with scissors because it just looks easier to cut. Let me actually just use this. Whew. Okay, but it's coming together though. What lace? Oh my god, I have a lot to cut. Is it looking good? I'm gonna lay it one more time. I think it's looking good. Like, it's really not much to it. There's really not much to it. Oh, I'm about to. I want a color. I want a colored wig. It looks good. Next, 40. Not playing. Next, 26. 26. Like, this looks good. No, hold on. I'm gonna lay it one more time. They're not gonna be able to see the lace. I'm being so cool. I do some more wonder lace. After I melt the lace, I'll be back.
2 hours later.
I cut myself, so I had to spray over the cuts with the wonder lace. It's burning. You have to add the melt. Like, the melt is a necessity. Period. It's time for the reveal.
Okay.
It's melted on this side. Ooh. Where is the lace? You really can't see. It's just ashy.
Boy, if you don't get.
I'm just putting a little bit of Got to Be to fix it. Y'all need to use Wonder Lace. This works for real. And use the Got to Be to like clean it up around like the edges. I cut myself so many times, like I can't really even use anything. The lace, you can't even see the lace. That's the wig cap. That is not the lace. And people want to tell me I can't install my own wig. Says who? Says who? The thing is, let me tell you a story. I wanted to get my wig installed by my stylist who did my prom and graduation hair, but I texted her on Instagram. She didn't answer. I saw her at my job and I said, oh, I texted her on Instagram. She's like, oh, just text my number, and she gave me her number. 2 days passed. I texted her number. She answered and I was like, okay, what inch would you like? I sent her the inch, everything. She's like, all right, I'll text you with the pricing. A whole week passed. She's flown out to Houston, Texas, partying in the clubs and stuff, posting it all over her story, and did not respond to my message for another week and a half. Then she wants to respond on Instagram, like we started the conversation all over from the beginning. She was like, what inch? Like, girl, I already told you all that on your messages. Did you forget? I was up on delivery because you're taking too long. I'm gonna pay you $200 something to do the wig and stuff, and you can't even respond to our messages. So look, I'm installing it myself for free. Period.
Really, nigga?
Okay, now I need to like cut some edges. Oh, we want a middle part. Let's part it. Ooh, they're gonna be like, girl, who did your install? I think. I just love when people underestimate me. It just makes me feel like I can do it. Because you think something so small is impossible for me. I just love that. Alright, we're gonna cut the edges now. I'm gonna cut a little at a time because I'm scared. And I'm the edge girl, like I'm waiting for this to heat up and then I'm gonna press it.
2,000 years later.
But tell me why sister said she got scared because she didn't know who walked in the room. Is that good or bad? Like, what? But make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe for another video. Not to go to sleep I gotta go to work early tomorrow. So yeah, bye. Let me just show y'all. This is like 2 days later. This is how my wig is looking. I did fix up the edges and stuff, like on the side. I added that, and I plucked it a little bit more. And this is how it's looking. And I burnt my ears. I was like using a hot comb. I never had a hot comb, and I burnt my ear. Like you can literally see it skinned off. Like, do y'all see that? Get into the lace. Uh-oh. Don't get too far into it now. No, I'm playing. What's in it? What's in the hair? My goodness.
It's get soaking, yeah. It's get soaking, yeah. It's get soaking. Subscribe. It's get soaking.